Hey, it's Dave the Space Nessie, and it has been a hot minute, pardon the pun, since my last video. However, yesterday we were treated, somewhat unexpectedly, to a video from Shetland. And this video was taken by Nasir Shadravan. Please forgive me, Nasir, if I've got your name wrong. And it was uploaded onto X or Twitter or whatever it's called this week. But we can see that Rocket Factory Augsburg test firing their one rocket on Launchpad Fredo in SaxaVord. This is the first time a commercial rocket of this size has been fired on Scottish soil, that we know of anyway. We know that Skyrora and Orbex and other companies have test stands for engine testing at different locations in Scotland, but this is the first rocket that has been static fired on the actual pad from where it will eventually launch. It certainly looked and sounded like everything worked, at least from that distance. RFA have been a bit quiet about this, at least at time of recording, but I'm sure we'll get more info, hopefully videos and images from them in the next coming weeks. But I have been informed that it was a successful test, so let's see what happens next. Are you excited about Shetland launches? Are you planning on coming up here to watch them? Leave a comment below if you are, and please consider following Nasir and thanking him for this first glimpse into the future of Scottish spaceflight. As always, please like and subscribe and follow me on X or Twitter, and I will see you in the next video.